Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes and I'm going to be showcasing a classic dish, coq au vin, Pomme Anna with some fresh parsley, some button mushrooms and with some bacon. And taking the chicken and just start placing it in the pan, coating every single bit. And once it's been colored, taking it out. Then that marinated vegetable with a nice color. Some of the onions in, which will be also marinated with the chicken overnight. Give it a nice color. Once it's colored and coated, add the red wine in. And reduce down to a third. Deglaze the pan on the side. And now I'm going to pour in the chicken stock. Cover the chicken halfway. The other bit is veal stock. Same quantity as the chicken. So we've got this coq au vin here now. Cartouche on top. And cook it in the oven for about 40-45 minutes, 180 degrees. So we've got the Pomme Anna here, which has been already prepared now, cut in suitable sizes. It's going to be cooked in oven, and then it's going to be gratinated to get nice coating color onto it. And for the garnish, we're going to be using some button mushrooms with some oil. Color them. Bacon in. And use the same pan for the kale. So now the coq au vin has been cooked now, ready to plate. So plating now the Pomme Anna. So the kale, the coq au vin, bacon, mushrooms. Sauce. Nice classic dish, coq au vin with some bacon, mushrooms and Pomme Anna. Bon appetit and some kale.